Hi, hello and welcome to 7th Gear. I'm Hemant. Today we're going to review one of the discontinued bikes from Hero. It's none other than Hero Duet. Yeah, there you can see the Duet logo there. And there you can see the Hero branding. The Hero Duet was powered by a 110.9cc engine, which was an air-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine which can produce the maximum power of 8.15 PS at 7,500 rpm and 8.7 Nm of torque at 5,500 rpm. And the fuel capacity was 5.5 liters. Hero Duet comes with an underbone chassis and telescopic hydraulic shock abs at the front, and the back it gets a unique swing arm with a spring-loaded hydraulic damper. Well, coming to the body graphics, it comes with an stunning graphics. Let us talk about the wheels of this vehicle. So it comes with the 90 by 100 section tires. There you can see it there, 90 by 100, and it gets with an integrated braking system. There you can see it. It doesn't offer any disc brake, and it also don't offer any alloy wheels. It comes with the regular seat wheels, and at the rear too, it also comes with the 90 by 100 section tires there, and there is no disc at offer. Features of this bike. So it comes with the regular halogen bulbs there you can see it, and halogen here too. And let's talk about the instrument cluster on this bike. It comes with a side light indicators, and there you can see the passing button right there, and as well as the side stand indicator too. There you can see it. When you just turn it on, if the stand was on, then it blinks there. And it also comes with an speedometer, twin trip meters too. There you can see the trip 1. There you can see it, the trip 1 and the trip 2. And it also get the digital odometer as well as the analog speedometer too. Let's talk about the underseat capacity of this vehicle. So you just need to push it to the left, then it opens, and there you can see, there you get a light here, and as well as you get a charging port too. It also get an 18-liter boot space, which was not enough to fit a full size helmet. And it also get the fuel filling thing right here, so you just don't need to open the seat when you get into the petrol bunk. And let's start the engine. That was good. It just made a pretty swipe here and as well as here too. The horn was decent, not pretty much loud. So let's just start riding it. There it comes to life. Let's go. Let's talk about the overall view of the bike. There you can see there is a symbol there which says that integrated braking system, which it comes with. It also works like CBS, where you can see the dual brakes there. When you apply the brake, the two brakes will apply at the same time, and it also get an kickstart too. And there you can see the Hero Duet there, and the Hero badging here, the Hero Duet again here, and there are some air vents which doesn't do anything, and here too. Okay, that's it for this vlog. So do subscribe to 7th Gear and click the bell icon to never miss any of the updates. Okay, bye bye now.